Hello artists, how are you today? Stephanie Aune coming to you from the banks of the Trinity River here near Willow Creek, California. Oz and I welcome you to the studio. We are very happy you are here with us today. This experiment was done using Inktense blocks. And these were a gift from Shanine, I believe. Whoops! The colors are very beautiful, very vibrant. Didn't have as much control over them, of course, as you would with, say, the pencils, and that's because they're in a block form. Although I did have pretty good luck working with them. This ended up taking me about 45 minutes to do. I just kept playing with it, and this is not what I'm intending to do with these backgrounds. What I want to do is just keep them as a background, keep them kind of free form, but I also want to make sure that I am testing the product properly. So for me, what I'm doing is I'm taking it day by day with each individual product. So some things are calling for more detail and other things are able to be in kind of a loose, freeform manner. You know, coming up, I'll have quite a few of these that have a similar color scheme, a similar feel to them, and do these however it makes sense for you to do them. Don't go off of oh, well, Stephanie's doing it in a diagonal manner using rainbow colors, da-da-da-da-da. What I'm doing is I'm checking to see the blendability of the colors. I want to see the vibrancy of the colors and, you know, kind of picking out my favorites while I'm working with it. So, of course, this is 45 minutes, so I can't show you all of that video. I will be fast forwarding you. I will be skipping through it. You know, to talk through the process is difficult, especially condensing 45 minutes into, you know, 8 minutes total. So this is part of the contest, of course, and I hope you guys are enjoying it. I need to do a bag review here. I don't know what all I've put in there. I did a studio redo, changed my desk around, so that's been keeping me busy. I hope you all are safe and happy, and we'll chat soon. Okay, be sure to be posting over at Messy Hands. I want to see what you guys are making, and everybody that's making the isolation inspiration artwork. Those are so cool. I wish I could be playing with you, but unfortunately I'm kind of overwhelmed here with my own little projects. So, love you guys. We'll chat soon. Mwah. Thank you to my Patreons. You guys are really helping me out, so I really appreciate it. All right, love you. Bye. What are you doing?